guys, welcome back to another video. Of course it's Clash Royale, and I got the tornado. It's decent. But first we're gonna start by opening some free chests. Okay, that's just one free chest. Sorry if that was loud. I'll turn it down a little bit. There, so let's go and start battling. I'll try to double upload today. I'll probably have a Clash of Clans video. So yeah. Let's go for Skeleton Army to kill the giant. And Tornado. That was a bad use of a tornado. There we go. Yeah. Oh, dang it. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna test out on my Clash of Clans video if I can make longer videos now. I think I can make longer videos now, which is good for you guys and for me. Okay, I'm gonna go for Prince Wizard. Crap. I can just minions. Sorry. I can just put down minions and take that down. Okay. Perfect. I'm gonna put down a mini P.E.K.K.A behind that. And then Skeleton Army. There we go. Both of us used a spell to get rid of the Skeleton Army. Minions. Crap. Rage them, come on. There we go, that raged helped. Dang it. I looked away for 1 second. Dang it. So yeah, this one will be under 10 minutes, and my Clash of Clans video will be probably, if there's a Clash of Clans video, then it will be more than 10 minutes. So yeah, any suggestions on decks would help a lot. So yeah, let's go right into this one. Okay, I'm gonna do mini P.E.K.K.A, which tornado. Okay. I'm gonna go for minions. Ooh, dang it, I did not notice that I didn't have enough. elixir. Skeleton army. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay, my minions will take them out. I'm gonna get Prince, but first I'm gonna get enough to have the skeleton army. And there, because I'm gonna have a skeleton army behind it, behind the Prince. There we go. I'll put down a witch and then rage her. Okay. I'm starting to get a little push going. I'm gonna rage right there. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna start opening this. Then I'm gonna end it right now. Okay. Well, I'm gonna end the video now. Okay. Goodbye.